Hi, I'm Lisa Kohl with We Know Boise Real Estate, here to share with you an update on the Boise real estate market and why Boise is defying national trends. If you follow the news, you've no doubt read the headlines about the national housing market slowing in recent months. Blistering hot real estate markets from Seattle to Denver to California's Bay Area seem to have lost a bit of their luster. Homes that would have once been snapped up in just a few hours of listing are sitting on the market for days or even weeks. A new report from data analytics company CoreLogic says that U.S. home prices have increased year over year by 5.5% in August of 2018, which is the slowest growth in 2 years. In Ada County, the median price for a single-family home grew 15.3% to $316,344 from a year prior. Home prices in Boise rose 16.24% to just under the $300,000 mark. The median time a house remained on the market declined to 13 days from 18 across Ada County, while homes in Boise sold in 11 days, down from 14 the previous year. Prices in September declined from last month's record high prices, but that's typical for this time of year. Prices in neighboring Canyon County jumped a staggering 26.35% to just under $230,000, with half of all homes in the county selling in just 8 days. This is the quickest on record for this time of the year. To be clear, while the headlines are dramatic, home prices across the country, and especially in the West, are high up single to double digits year over year. With more homes on the market taking longer to sell, there's little doubt that real estate markets across the country are seeing a slowdown in price appreciation. Yet in the Boise area, home price gains continue to accelerate. Over the last 12 months, the typical house price rose 16%, the same as the previous 2 years combined, all while available homes for sale have declined for the 49th month in a row. So let's cover the bargain that is Boise. Priced out of San Francisco and San Jose, people moved to Seattle, Portland, and Denver, driving up home prices along the way. Comprised of recent college grads, tech workers, and retirees, a third wave of migration is moving to Boise, Nashville, and other areas offering the same high quality of life at lower prices. While local real estate values have more than doubled since the last housing bubble, the fact is, by Western U.S. standards, Boise home prices are relatively cheap. In areas where $600,000 doesn't buy a teardown and earning $117,000 a year is considered low income, $300,000 for a new home in a good neighborhood seems like a bargain. For families fleeing high taxes and tight housing markets, Boise is a breath of fresh air and is on the radar because of our home prices, not in spite of them. Due to our strong economy and the reasons mentioned before, we have traditionally trended a year or two behind the bigger cities. It may not be reflected in the numbers yet, but Boise is not immune to the factors affecting the rest of the country. Boise area home prices are up $65,000 over the last 2 years, and mortgage rates are the highest they've been since the local housing market began its recovery in 2011. We saw a big jump in home sales this winter and in early spring as home buyers tried to get ahead of the higher interest rates. Since then, we've seen a drop-off in demand. A year ago, we were in an insane market, and now we're in a quintessential seller's market. Move-in-ready homes that are priced correctly are still selling quickly. However, the bidding wars of 2016 and 2017 are a thing of the past. While local home prices haven't hit a peak yet, the days of double-digit appreciation are most likely behind us now. For a complete write-up including data on our surrounding areas, please visit us at WeKnowBoise.com. Thanks for joining me.